Good morning. Oh, and good morning again. Hello, welcome to Reset Connect Day 2. Who was here yesterday? Show of hands. Yeah, good. And welcome if you're just joining us this morning. I'll just keep speaking so you can adjust the volume if you are using the earphones. You don't need to use the earphones because we are the focus right now on this stage. Clean Energy Summit stage is where it's at right now. I'm Lucy Siegle, and I'm hosting on this stage most of today, and then you'll find some brilliant panels, keynotes, all sorts of things, workshops, all around the place, and these other stages will be functioning as well. So we're launching everything this morning. Who's downloaded the app? Oh, you're so good. Well, you can find it all on the app, so I don't need to go through it. Yesterday, if you were here, it was good, wasn't it? It was really buzzy. And I think a lot of us got our mojo back because, frankly, we've had a lot thrown at us in the sustainability space. I'm a nature and climate journalist, by the way, just in case you're thinking, who is this woman? It's been a real privilege to get to know a lot of people in the run-up to this. A lot of you I know already. And really kind of what we're focusing on is really kind of drilling into some of the expertise of our panelists and just making those connections, really. So do take time to go to the stalls. If you don't get to speak to our panelists and you've got a question for them straight afterwards, you'll often find them milling around at one of the stands, and they're very, very happy to chat, in my experience. So we've got a brilliant day coming up where we're building on some of the themes from yesterday, and really it is about having these world-class experts and speakers digging into all aspects of sustainability. So enjoy yourselves. Just some of the things that are coming up here today. We have got the grand finale of the big pitch later on at 2:30 on this stage. I'll announce things as they go along so you won't miss anything. Also on the app, we have a couple of great competitions. So you can win a prize. Come on, let's have some energy for winning a prize. Yes, madam. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. That's what I want. So you just need to go on the app for that or netzerocensus.co.uk/, because you need to complete the census.